So let me show you how you can achieve beautiful curls like this with this 100% homemade here leave-in conditioner slash detangler. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Magali and today we're going to show you how to make this amazing hair leave-in conditioner and slash detangler. This amazing leave-in conditioner, also detangler, is gonna leave your hair soft and shiny and very manageable. So we're also going to add to this recipe half a cup of flaxseed gel. I already have a recipe of a flaxseed gel that I did. You can go back and watch the video where I show you how to make a wonderful flaxseed gel. It's smells pretty good. It's slippery and not only is gonna add moisture and sleep to our leave-in conditioner, but it also is going to add a lot of strength to your hair. And brush the hair. We're also going to add some vegetable glycerine, one of my favorite because it adds a lot of moisture to your hair. I have talked about a lot in this channel about glycerine, so let's not talk too much about it today. Just so you know, they add plenty of moisture to your hair. 1/3 of aloe vera gel. If you don't have aloe vera gel in your home, you can also use aloe vera juice, or you can use whatever aloe vera gel that is available to you. It is better if it's fresh. I have my own aloe vera plant outside, so I get to just pick it and put it in my recipe. So we're also going to add some argan oil, which argan oil is highly moisturized. It also protects the scalp and the hair from everyday damage. Argan oil also protects your hair from a split end. We're also going to add a few drops of our favorite essential oil. Of course, we can mix that. So grapefruit essential oil, I know it's not only great because it have that fruity and citrus-like smell that's gonna leave your hair smelling wonderful, but it also balances the sebum production in your scalp. So if you have a scalp is really dry or it's really oily, grapefruit essential oil can help with that, balancing the sebum production where your scalp doesn't produce too much or too little of sebum. Just a few drops. This is a great leave-in conditioner if you're suffering from dryness, if you have sensitivity to some hair care product. Homemade is usually better than anything else, and on top of that it will add a lot of shine and definition and hydration to your hair. So I decided to use this amazing detangler slash leave-in conditioner detangler, so you can use it for both or you can use it for either or. I decided to use it as a leave-in. I decided to use a combo of this leave-in conditioner with my flaxseed gel to keep everything like in the natural side, and my curls are very soft, they're not crispy, you know, they're very soft, they're very well defined and highly hydrated. And you need extra moisture, try this amazing recipe, you love it. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell down below so you can get all the notification for new video. And if you are all subscribers, welcome back. We're so happy to see you. So thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.